Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas at home veg. Preheat a skillet over medium heat and gather tortillas, shredded cheese, diced peppers, onions, mushrooms, oil, and salt. Keep fillings separated and ready on a plate so assembly moves quickly. Use oil lightly in the pan to prevent sticking and to crisp the tortilla. Work in batches to avoid crowding the pan and ensure even browning for every quesadilla. Start by sautéing peppers, onions, and mushrooms with a pinch of salt until they soften slightly and release flavor. Keep heat at medium so the tortilla crisps slowly while the cheese melts to gooey perfection. Assemble with a thin layer of cheese on both sides of the filling to act like glue, then fold or top with another tortilla. Flip carefully and cook until both sides are golden brown and cheese is fully melted inside. Let cooked quesadillas rest for a minute to set the melted cheese, then slice into wedges for easy eating. Offer dips like salsa, guacamole, or sour cream to add contrast and moisture, and a squeeze of lime or chopped cilantro to lift flavors. For meal prep, refrigerate cooled leftovers in an airtight container and reheat in a skillet to regain crisp texture rather than using a microwave, which can make them soggy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.